So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So one of the trade we will be looking at for today is gold. So if you remember, we actually told you guys that I told you guys that we should actually let gold to actually fall to this level. Do not take your buy at this level, as this would be a dangerous level. I know many of you must have taken your buy, which means gold drop and it got stopped that. And I told you guys that first we should be looking to take our buy to this level. And guess what? Gold is giving us this movement now. Right now, today, we will be expecting major news, which is first, we'll be expecting PPI news. Then second, we'll be expecting federal fund rate. That federal fund rate is one of those most important news we will be expecting today. Now, if interest rate remains the same, because the Fed are planning, the market is expecting Fed to leave interest rates the same. They are not planning for it to increase. If it remains the same, have it in mind that is a possibility of if interest rate still remains the same, then expect more uptrend move on gold. Possibly we are to break out this level, expect more uptrend move. But if there's an unexpected increase in it, if the Fed just comes out and hike interest rates to about 5.75 or whatever, then unfortunately gold will actually fall. We most likely break below this low. So it's just a possibility of if and watch what the Fed will do. It's just an interest rate, the fundamental news. So it will actually move the market. So if you're a technical trader, you need to watch out for what will happen on the fundamental aspects of this trade, right? So it's just a matter of if. Now, if in case you're interested in high probability trade, traders will have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you're interested, especially if you're having problem growing up your accounts, then you can sign up to our 7 days free trial. So you get to trade with us free for good 7 days. Yes, free for good 7 days. So these are one of those trades we took yesterday, day before yesterday. You can see the BTI, June 12. We actually hit our profits. Yesterday trade was Euro card. We actually hit our profits. So one of those trades we are looking at today, which is on Wednesday, is you can see WTI. We'll be expecting, we are about to take profit now. We are about to close our profit. So we can see we've moved our stop loss to break even. So if in case prices reverse, we are going to opt out with a zero loss. No loss at all, right? So if in case you are interested in more trade, we'll be putting out some setups. So if you want to trade this, if you are interested in more trade, right, all you just have to do is sign up to our 7 days free trial. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.